Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Akko Dragonball Super Theme Wireless Mouse. I'm also going to give one of these away for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, share this video, and stick around. With that said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so right here I have 4 Akko Dragonball Super Theme Wireless Mouse. So we have Golden Frieza, Beerus, Whis, and of course Vegeta. Unfortunately, I didn't receive Goku and Trunks, but I'm pretty happy with this. So let's just start with the Golden Frieza for our unboxing. So as you can see, each of the characters have a different color when it comes to the packaging and of course on its design. So we have the Dragon Ball Super logo right here and a preview of the mouse. At the side of the box, we have here the contact information of Akko, and at the back, we have the character itself, Golden Frieza, and another Dragon Ball Super logo. So let's see what comes in this box. So as you can see, we have the Akko branding right here and its logo. So let's see what comes inside the box. So the style of the packaging is actually like most smartphones. So it's sliding towards the top. It's kind of hard actually. There you go. Alright, so inside the box, first thing you'll notice is a pouch, which is a nice addition. I appreciate this a lot. And of course, the Akko wireless mouse right here. I think the specific model name for this mouse, if you're gonna look this up on BANGGOOD.com, is Smart 1 wireless mouse. So inside the packaging, what else we have here? So that's about it, just the mouse and a little paperwork right here. The packaging is actually quite good, and that's pretty standard for Akko products or peripherals. Next we have here is Whis. So if you're familiar with Dragon Ball Super Saga, Whis is actually a very interesting character alongside Beerus. So right here we have the preview of the mouse, and of course at the back we have here the image of Whis. So next up we have Vegeta, colored blue. And lastly, we have Beerus, which is a very interesting character from the Dragon Ball Super Saga. Okay, so we're now done unboxing each and every character. So let's start with Vegeta. The surface is actually pretty good. It's a smooth matte finish. So I really appreciate that it is not glossy. But I'm not sure how durable this printing is, especially if you have sweaty hands. But it is pretty good and the print quality is pretty decent as well. So here's a close-up look for Vegeta character. So with the Vegeta mouse, the scroll wheel is color yellow. And then at the bottom of the mouse, we have 2 mouse feet. And then we have here the on and off switch and of course the sensor. And it looks like the battery is AA, which is okay. So you only need 1 battery. And then we have here nicely tucked inside the wireless dongle. This mouse is actually 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So it is not Bluetooth. It has its own dongle right here. Okay, so next we have here Beerus. It has the same coating, matte finish with a nice smooth texture and high quality printing as you can see here. The scroll button is also yellow and it's purple or around. Okay, so next we have Whis. It is, I guess, maroon and pink combination, and of course it also has that smooth matte finish and a very high quality printing as well. The scroll button on the other hand is white compared to the yellow on the previous mouse that we've checked out. Alright, and lastly we have Golden Frieza right here. Same matte finish. I really like this finish actually, guys. I prefer this over the glossy finish. I just hope that it will hold up, especially that I have sweaty hands. So the scroll wheel is also yellow and the body is purple. So obviously this is not a gaming mouse. It is more like an office mouse, and if you're working on the go or for traveling purposes with its lightweight and compact size as you can see here. And it is also a great novelty device, especially if you're into the Dragon Ball Super Saga. Buying this is certainly a no-brainer and for sure would be a good conversation starter. And there you have it guys for our unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to give one of these away for you guys. I'm going to post the giveaway information on our Facebook page, so make sure to check the link below. So I'm going to properly review this, of course, and I'm going to get back to you. Alright guys, so as per my testing, the mouse sensor is certainly not the best I've tried. It's kind of jittery and you cannot change the DPI other than the default 1000, so it needs some getting used to. It is also not good for gaming as it's very erratic and does spin out quite easily during quick flicks. But for normal use and productivity, which this mouse really is for, it is acceptable. And like I said, you just have to get used to the 1000 DPI. The buttons are crisp, tactile, and responsive with just a tad wobble on the scroll wheel. Now in terms of the shape, it is an ambidextrous mouse, which means it can be used by both left and right-handed users. It has a small bump which is enough to give your palm a little bit of support. It weighs around 72 grams with AA battery, so it's lightweight enough as a compact wireless mouse. Speaking of wireless, like I said earlier, this mouse uses 2.4 GHz frequency and does have its own wireless dongle. The wireless performance is decent. I didn't encounter any input lag, and as per specifications, it should work up to 10 meters. Overall, the Akko Smart 1 Dragonball Super wireless mouse is decent enough for office work and productivity, and a good companion for traveling and working on the go. I just hope the sensor could have been better to be used at least for casual gaming, and it's something that needs to be worked on if Akko intends to release future versions of this mouse. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link below. If you want to join this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and follow the instruction link below. Huge thanks to BANGGOOD.com for sending this in. You can get this from the official store link below as well. Subscribe if you like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.